Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to allow camera access on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to allow camera access on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app, and if this kind of interface is coming while opening your Snapchat, then tap on turn on guys, and you can see this will enable the pop-up to appear either to give Snapchat camera permission or not. So tap on while using this app and the camera access to Snapchat will be allowed. And if it still does not work like this guys, go to the settings of your phone first, and over here navigate to apps, and after that tap on app management and search for Snapchat and tap on it. And over here guys, you can see the permissions option available for us just below the manage notifications. Tap on permissions, and over here guys you can see the allowed option, and there is the camera. If the camera was not on the allowed but not allowed section, you would be required to tap on it, and these bunch of these kind of options will appear. And you can see again, as at the Snapchat, you will be required to tap on the allow only while using the app, and this way you will have allowed the camera access on Snapchat from the Snapchat app as well as the settings from the phone. And if it still does not work, try reinstalling your Snapchat app guys. And with that being said guys, this is how to allow camera access on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.